and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things social media. Today we're diving into how you can upload videos on your Facebook page, making sure your content gets in front of the eyes that matters the most, your audience. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or just looking to share memories with friends and family, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. Let's get started. First things first, you need to log into your Facebook account and navigate to your page. If you don't have a page yet, don't worry, check out our tutorial on setting up a Facebook page. Simply tap on the top right profile icon and switch your account to the profile page. Once you're on your page, look for the photo video button right above where it says write a post. Now here you can see photo video section, tap on it. Then choose the video file you want to upload from your device. Make sure your video meets Facebook's guidelines in terms of length and file size. After selecting your video, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can add details. Start by giving your video a catchy title and a description that will make your video stand out. Here you can see who can see your post. You can choose whether you want to make your video public, private, or visible to friends only. Then you simply need to hit on publish. And congratulations, now your video is now live on your Facebook page. And that's all there is to it. Uploading videos to your Facebook page is a fantastic way to engage with your audience, share your content, and grow your brand. We hope this guide helps you get your videos up and running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.